Hi, I'm Jimmy, the Senior Sales of GFLAI. Today I want to introduce you the Sound Activated LED Bracelets from GFLAI. It is powered by 2 button cells and which is replaceable, and it can last for a very long time. What's more, it is adjustable. You can easily cut it off by scissors. Then, let's put it into the gap and see what it happens. Just play the music, and it will flash with the beats. The louder the sound is, the more the lights flash both with timing and in strength. Create perfect atmosphere for indoor and outdoor parties. Thank you.